Is your PUBG Mobile experience on iOS being ruined by annoying audio glitches? Don't worry, we're here to restore those crucial sound effects and immersive gunfights in just a minute and a half. First, let's dive into your iOS settings. Tap on the Settings app. It's usually a gray gear icon. Scroll down until you find PUBG Mobile in the list of apps. Tap on it. Make sure the microphone permission is enabled. PUBG Mobile needs this to transmit and receive audio. If it's off, toggle it on. Next, pull down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Check the volume slider. Make sure it's not muted or set to low. Slide it up to a comfortable listening level. Also, ensure that Do Not Disturb mode isn't active. It can sometimes interfere with game audio. Tap the focus icon to disable it if it's on. Now, let's relaunch PUBG Mobile. Close the app completely by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping the PUBG Mobile window away. Then, tap the PUBG Mobile icon to reopen it. Once you're back in the game, go to the in-game settings, usually located behind the gear icon. Then, navigate to the audio section. Double-check your master volume and speaker settings. Ensure everything is turned up and set to your preference. Experiment with different audio presets if available. If none of these steps work, try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can often resolve minor software glitches. Still no sound? As a last resort, try reinstalling PUBG Mobile. Make sure your game is linked to an account. This prevents you from losing your progress. Then delete and reinstall the game. That should fix most common audio problems on iOS. Now you can enjoy PUBG Mobile with all the crucial sound cues needed to dominate the battlefield. Good luck and happy gaming!